Meet Emily, 25, a Starbucks barista, living paycheck to paycheck. She made $28,000 a year. Her bank account was almost always empty. One day she woke up with just $12 left. She had to choose between groceries or rent. Emily felt stuck. She wanted to save money fast, but didn't know how. In the US, 60% of people can't cover a $1,000 emergency. Emily was one of them. Emily's problem was simple: she spent more than she earned. Her monthly expenses were $2,300. Rent was $1,200, car payment $300, and food $500. She had no savings, no emergency fund, and a lot of debt. Credit card debt was $5,000 at 20% interest. The average American has $38,000 in personal debt. Emily was on her way to joining them. One day Emily discovered the 50/30/20 rule. 50% of her income went to necessities, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to saving. This rule changed everything. Emily created a budget and tracked every expense. She found out she was spending $800 a month on dining out and entertainment. Emily cut back on unnecessary expenses. She started cooking at home, canceled subscription services, and reduced her phone bill. She saved $500 a month by making these changes. That's $6,000 a year. In the US, the average person saves just 7.5% of their income. Emily was now saving 21%. Emily invested her savings in a high-yield savings account earning 4.5% interest. She also started a side hustle, freelancing as a social media manager. She made an extra $1,000 a month. That's $12,000 a year. The average side hustle earns $13,000 a year. Emily was close. After 2 years, Emily had saved $100,000. She was 25 years old. Her credit card debt was paid off, and she had a fully funded emergency fund. She was now investing in a 401k and a Roth IRA. The average millennial has just $10,000 in retirement savings. Emily was way ahead. You can save money fast like Emily. Start by tracking your expenses and creating a budget. Cut back on unnecessary spending and invest your savings. Consider starting a side hustle to increase your income. Subscribe to our channel, Wealthwise AI, for more stories like Emily's.